Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about seeing who has added your TikTok videos to their favorite list. So while there isn't really a great way to check, there's a rough way you can kind of guesstimate who's favoriting your videos and just basically just checking your notification settings. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go to your TikTok account and select the inbox notification button at the bottom. And it would show up in here if anyone has favorited your post. You can view the friends notification here as well and see what they're posting. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.